In this video, we will review together how to insert a new module, how to start and end a sub, how to start and end a function. First, how to insert a module. There are multiple ways to insert a module. First, you can right-click on the Microsoft Excel objects and then click Insert and then click Module. Note that as soon as I did that, Microsoft Excel insert a new module under a new folder called Modules. The second way to insert a new module is by going to Insert Module. The last way one can insert a module is by clicking on the Insert icon, then select a module. Please note that Microsoft Visual Basic insert the word option explicit in all three modules that we just created. The reason the Microsoft Visual Basic insert the word option explicit because it was customized before during the first configuration of your compiler. The word option explicit, or rather the syntax option explicit, means that all variables used within the sub or the function must be declared prior to implementation in the logic or the output. The first way to write a code in VBA is by writing a sub. A sub is a procedure consists of a series of statements. These statements are specific instructions which will be executed to process the input and generate the outputs through the logic. The way you start a sub is by typing the word sub, then you hit space, and then you give it the subname. The subname is any name that you wish to call your sub. For example, we're going to call this one testing. We will open and close a parenthesis, then we will hit enter. Once we do that, notice that the Visual Basic editor have changed the word sub to capitalize, and it changed the color to blue. One should note the everything is in blue means it's a compiler syntax or a language syntax. Also, as soon as I hit enter, I notice that the word end sub was inserted and it was also colored blue. All these statements that includes the input, includes the logic, and includes the output must go between sub and end sub. No logic should be written outside of the word sub or below the word end sub. Everything should be included between these two statements. Another way to write a code in VBA is by writing a function. A function is a procedure that returns a single value or an array. More on arrays later. The way you start a function is you write the word function and you give it the function name, whatever function name you want, as far as you're not infringing Excel by using a pre-programmed function name. Then you open a parenthesis and then you put your inputs. My inputs, for example, in this case is A, B, and C, and we'll close the parentheses. As soon as I hit enter, again, VBA capitalized the word function and hide and change the color of font to blue. VBA also insert the word end function and highlighted this to blue. The logic and the output of this function must be insert within the word function and the end function.